Right, welcome back. This is day number 98, 99. I don't remember, but I'm gonna check it anyways. So, oh, it's 99. We're almost at 100. Almost at 100 days. Okay, so let's get into it. um, I was waiting for the 1 hour close to determine my bias. So if I was bearish or bullish. Um, I was like, this is bearish. You got this order block, this 1 hour order block, and then this is internally bullish. We're respecting internal bullish order flow. So I was just waiting for us to disrespect bullish bullish order flow internally because the 4 hour didn't close above here, right? And it's technically bullish, but it's still ranging. I guess you can say that, and it's like a big range. That said, the 12 hour still looks bullish, and you got this for value gap right here. But there's also this order block over here. So yeah, the daily we tapped this extreme, and also no, we didn't tap this, but we tapped this extreme of this order block. So I was expecting lower. That said, we were also at this weekly order block, which is holding quite well. So if we go to the 15 minute, you can see that we break structure, and then that there is this 15 minutes for value gap. And the 5 minute, we were looking bearish. You got this close over here, which breaks 5 minute structure. And I wanted to actually enter here. So I wanted to enter here, put my stop there, and my target was down here. So this target is not here. Where is it? Where is it? Is it the 1 hour? Yeah. So this target is the 1 hour. This target right here, which I like to take sometimes because these often produce nice reactions. Um, however, um, I was disciplined enough to exit after because I said that I was waiting for the 1 hour close. And in 5 minutes, we could have swept these lows right here, break the 5 minute structure, go all the way up to here, test the 15 minutes for value gap, and only go lower after that. So I decided to wait. So as you can see, if I go into the 1 minute, you can see that I exited here, entered here, exited here. This was like minus 11, so it's like a break even, really. And I decided to wait for the 1 hour to come and for a 1 hour break of structure. That said, I entered here on this candle, a little bit lower. Yeah. I entered here in this candle. After I saw this close, I just pressed the sell button, and this was really fast. I think this was like a second. Got filled, price starts moving lower. I get really confident, then closes here, which we started chopping around. Then you can see that we sort of closed over here, but we failed to sweep this. And I said at this point, yeah, I'm gonna lose what? This was $180 loss. How much is this? 160. And I'm like, oh, I'm fine taking the $20 extra risk if that means that I might take a break even or whatever. So I'm fine taking that risk, right? So we ended up going higher, higher, higher. 5 minute, which was worrying me. 5 minute didn't close below here on this candle, so that was worrying a little bit. But we were going higher, 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 and at this point, I just said, okay, yeah, I'm expecting a loss, so I'm just gonna leave it. $20 less, $20 more. It's not gonna make a big of a difference. Um, as we were going up, I said, yeah, I would have taken this trade any day, any time of the day, given the fact that at the time I only had this information. So this looks really good to short to me because you got the 5 minute order block, which is this one right here. You got this 1 hour or 1 minute extreme, but you expect this to hold because this is also in line with the big for value gap. So I saw this candle and then I saw us going again lower and I said, okay, we broke internal structure because we were kind of like respecting internal structure. There's this order block right here and we started going higher. So we broke internal structure. Now the 1 minute is bearish internally, bearish externally. The 5 minutes is bearish. The 15 minutes is bearish. The 1 hour is bearish. So I got everything going for me. So this was a trade that even if it was a loss, I would have said, okay, yeah, I would have taken this any time of the day if I had the chance later. You can see the candles form, and eventually I get to TP. Now at this point right here, I wanted to close the trade so badly because I was afraid it was going to reverse. I wanted to close up here. But I said, okay, I'm going to wait for the reaction of the valley gap and see how we go. And then we eventually ended up going there. Take profit is hit. This was a nice risk to reward, 2.61. I risked 180 and got 468. So that's decent. And yeah, that's my trade for the day. So I guess that's all. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you guys tomorrow for day number 100. Tomorrow is the day 100.